All right, yeah, welcome back today. In today's video, we'll be talking about what are key levels. So you need to understand this aspect or this topic in trading, especially when you are trading MSNR or you are trading SNR. Okay. So now, what are key levels? Key levels are decision points. They are levels that act like magnets for price because that's where liquidity pool exists. In another easy and very direct definition of key level, it is simply a major price area on the chart where the price reacts strongly. Now, reason why you will see most traders trading from key level, because for example, if this is a higher time frame key level, you expect what market to come down to react from this key level either to the upside or to react from this key level to the downside. You get? So key level are strong areas where we expect market to react from. Yeah, there are strong areas where we expect market to react from. Now moving forward, we have six types of key level. Six types of key level. Six types, sorry. Six types. Please don't mind my handwriting. Six types of key level. I'll be using KL to denote key level. Now on these six types of key level, a lot of persons thought maybe we have just four or three types of key level, but we have six types of key level, and I'll be mentioning or for you to get a better understanding. The first key level we have here is what? The V-shape key level. We also have the A-shape key level. We have the A-shape key level. We have the QM, or you can also call it QMR key level, KL. We also have the RBS, which is my favorite. We also have the SBR. These are my favorite key level. And we also have the last one, which is what? OC key level. Let me just write it here. OC key level. Now, I will explain all this for you to get a better understanding, and also go on my chart to explain them for you. So the A-shaped key level is very easy and it's most common on our chart. A-shaped key level are levels that's more of looking like A shape, you get. So this is an A shaped key level. And what are we expecting in an A shaped key level? We expect what? Market to do. We expect market to respect this level here. We expect market to come down to this place and react from here to the upside. So in an A-shaped key level, we expect what? Market to do what? To buy in an A-shaped key level. Sorry, in a V-shaped key level. Apologies. In a V-shaped key level, we expect market to do what? To come down to what? To react from the level and move to the upside. That is the expectation in a V-shaped key level. I'll show you all this on the chart to get a better and a clearer understanding. Why in an A-shaped key level? A-shaped key level is a level we expect what? A sell from. Now this is an A-shaped key level. You can see the shape. The shape looks like what? Like an A shape. Then this is the level which we're expecting what? Market to react from. So what are we expecting from this market? We expect market to trade to this level here and react from it to what? Going to the what? To the downside. Why in a QMR? QMR is a level that is being disrespected twice. For example, let's say you are having an A-shape level. This is an A-shape level now. Then market disrespected it twice. Let's say you expect market in an A-shape level, market should just come to this place and react. But what happened? Market disrespected it. After disrespecting it, on a norm, so expecting market to come down to this level here and react to the upside. What happened? Market still disrespected it. Now market has disrespected it one and twice. You can see spreading it twice. So now we expect what? Market to come and react from this level to the downside. So some persons also call QMR as what? Head and shoulder. You get shoulder, left side shoulder, right side shoulder, and this is the head. It's very, very easy to understand. Then let's move on to RBS. RBS is RBS is an A-shape level which got disrespected Now this is an A-shaped level. What are we expecting? We're expecting market to come and do something like this for us, to react from here and move to the downside, right? But what happened? Market disrespected it. Now when market disrespected a key level, it doesn't mean the key level has failed actually, but we expect market to do what? To come down to the level again and react from it to continue to the upside. So this is what we call RBS. RBS meaning resistance. It means what? Resistance broken turning to what? Is support. Very simple. Don't complicate things. A resistance which is broken turning to what? Is support. You can see the support here moving to the upside. Then for SBR, SBR is also the opposite of RBS. Now let's say a V-shaped key level. In a V-shaped key level, what happened? We're expecting market to do what? To come here, react from here to the what? To the upside. But what happened? It got disrespected. When it gets disrespected, what are we expecting is this level is still valid because market will come later to react from it to the downside. You understand? So when a V-shaped key level is being disrespected and market comes back to react from that the same level, it's what? SBR. Now it's called SBR because support, this was a support which was broken and turned to what? A resistance. What is a support? A support is a level that is holding, while a resistance is a level that is what? Rejecting. You get? That is rejecting, that is resisting. Then the last key level which we'll talk about before we move on to our chart, where I'll show you every necessary examples you need to see, is what? The OC. The OC level is an open and close. It's just a two candlestick formation. You get? Is a two candlestick formation. Let me just sorry, let me just clean up some space here, so I will make use of this whole place. Sorry, let me clean up this place. I want to make use of this space here. Now in an OC key level, what are we expecting? We expect what? Is it, like I say, is a two candlestick formation. This is a candlestick, this is a candlestick as well, and this is the next candlestick. This is the next candlestick. Now the space or the gap in between them is the OC. Now we expect what? When in this kind of level, we expect market to come back and react from the space, from the middle or from the space between these two candles and react to where? To the upside. These are very, very simple stuff you need to understand. So moving forward, we'll be going to our charts where I'll show you all these necessary all these important examples and how you can apply them to your day trading. Let me wipe out all these drawings so you get a better understanding. Okay, so sorry for the delay. Now this is our chart on USDJPY. Now you can find A-shaped level, V-shaped level, and all the types of level in every areas of our chart, but you need to understand which is valid and which is not valid. So let's say, for instance, this is an A-shaped key level. This is an A-shaped key level. And why is it an A-shaped key level, or why do we call it A-shaped key level? You can see it. This is a A-shaped key level. If we switch to the line chart, you get a better view of it. So you can see it looks like what? Like an A shape. You see how it is? It looks like an A shape. Again, so this is also a A-shaped key level. This is also A-shaped key level. Sorry, this is V-shaped key level. This is V-shaped key level. Sorry for the mistake. And this is A-shaped key level. So on your chart, you will notice that you see multiple types of A-shaped level or multiple V-shaped level. One, you need to understand which is valid and which is not valid, because if you consider all the A-shaped level to trade from, then you end up losing a whole lot of money in the market. So you need to understand which is valid and which is not valid. So moving forward, let's talk about the QMR here. The QMR, like I said earlier, is one of my favorite levels to use in the market because how effective it is. It is very, 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 very effective. So now let's see this place. You can see this place here. You can see this place here. This is a QM here. We're expecting market to what? To respect this level, but what happened? It respected it once, and you see it respected it twice, and you see what happened. Market came back to react from it to where? To the downside. So let me switch back to a candle chart so you see. So you see how it happens. We're expecting market to do what? To respect this level here, but what happened? It got disrespected, and it gets disrespected twice, and it got reacted here. So in an OCQ level, let me move to the daily time frame so that we'll get a better view of it. Okay, let me look for an example. OCQ level, I want to look for a perfect example which will give a better detail of what we are doing here. So this is an OC level. You can see this level here. Like I told you, is a space between two candle. Sorry, yeah. See, right? So this is an OC level, and you see the reaction. The reaction at this place here. See the reaction, right? So this is an OC level. Very, very easy to identify on the chart. I'll look for another example for you so that you can get a better and a clearer understanding of what we are doing here today. Let's look for another example. There are a whole lot of examples on our chart. It's just for you to understand them. Once you understand them, you'll be able to use them correctly. So this is an OC level here. You can see, and you see how market respected it. You see how markets really, really respected it. So there are levels that you will find on your chart just for you to understand how to use them. And so the level I'll be showing you right now is resistance broken to support and SBR as well. So resistance broken to support is RBS. It simply means that this is a level we have here. Then we're expecting what? Market to come to this level and respect. What happened? It got broken, and at the end of the day, after it got broken, it came back and respected to trade to the new direction. You get? So this is what we call RBS, resistance broken to what? To a support. So I'll be sharing with you on chart, and as well also show you an example of what RBS. When a RBS, meaning this is RBS, I'll show you an example of SBR, meaning support broken to what? To a resistance. So these are examples we'll be making use of right now in our chart, and I'll be sharing with you every necessary step-by-step guide and how to identify them on your chart. So let's quickly move forward. So the first, let's see for an example. Okay, we have an example here. You can see this is an A shape, and it's what? A resistance, right? Now we're expecting what? Market to come to this place, here, and respect it to trade to the downside. What happened? If you notice what happened here, market came there and it got disrespected to where? To the upside. You can see when market disrespected, the market came down and react off it again to the upside. So I'll be showing, let me show you what happened here. Let me quickly show you. So this is the level, here. So when it got disrespected, the market came back and do what? And react from it. So this is how we make use of all this level in making money in the market for ourselves. You can see what happened here, right? You see. So this is what RBS, resistance broken towards a support. Let me look for more examples. You see a whole lot of examples on our chart, and it's very, 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 very effective. So let's look for more. Okay, so I have another example here, which is an example of a support broken to a resistance. That's what SBR. You can see this is a level here which we are expecting what? Market to respect this level here. We're expecting market to respect this level, right? But what happened? Market disrespected it and traded where? To the downside. You see, when it traded to the downside, market came back and respected it and do what? Went to the downside. You get? So these are things that happens in the market. So you see, we now have what? like I told you, once a level is being disrespected, that level is still valid to trade from. You see, so this is an example of what? Example of support broken turning towards a resistance. Support broken turning towards a resistance. Yeah. So just understand all this and you'll be able to make use of them on your chart and make money off the market. So let's look for more example. Let's look for more example. Let's look for more example. Okay, I think I have another one here. I have another one here. Let's see. So this is a V-shaped level. You can see this is a V-shaped level which you're expecting one market to come and react from. But what happened? It got disrespected. When it got disrespected, see what happened. Market came back in future to react from it. So see, this is what happened. We are expecting this market to respect this level here. But what happened? It got disrespected. When it got disrespected, what happened? Market came back and react off it. So let me show you all this. So you see, so this is an example of what? Support broken turning towards to a resistance. So these are very easy stuff on your chart. So I'll be sharing with you more examples so you get a clear understanding. So this is a V-shaped level. You can see how market respected it perfectly. And what happened after market respected it? What? It traded to where? To the upside. See, it traded to the upside. Market respected it and market did what? Traded to the upside. So these are a whole lot of examples on our chart. If you go back to your chart, you see a whole lot of examples. You can go back on your own, back test it and check for other examples. If you have any question, do well to leave your views in the comment section where I'll be active in answering of your question. Or you have any level you don't really understand, drop it in the comment section or be live in answering of your question. And if you're enjoying this content, if you're enjoying this video, do it to like, subscribe or follow us for more awesome content as this, which I will be live in doing more videos for you guys. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, do it to subscribe or follow me, turn on the notification bell so when I drop an awesome video as this, you'll be the first to be notified. And this is a take-home advice for you. Make sure you click on the link in the video description or you click on the link on my bio to join our Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel, I do share every trades I'm taking and I do share awesome content for you to also help you in your day-to-day trading. So if you don't want to miss out on all these goodies, make sure you join us in our Telegram channel so we'll grow up together. So see you guys in the next video. Leave a views, like this video, subscribe, repost and share with other traders so they can benefit from this awesome content. See you guys in the next video.